Students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss about some important points as note and also numericals. Note 1. Torque tau is equal alpha into I. Therefore, consider this is equation number 1. Therefore, alpha is equal torque tau by I. Equation number 2. And I is equal torque tau by alpha. Equation number 3. Now, note number 2. Tau is equal alpha into I. Equation number 1. And omega is equal, work is equal, here W, this is W is equal tau into theta. Equation number 2. Here W is equal work. Next, L is equal I into omega. Equation number 3. Here omega is equal angular frequency or omega is equal angular velocity. Now, note number 3. W is equal tau into theta. Consider equation number 1. From this one, we know that tau is equal W by theta, and also theta is equal W by tau. Consider this is equation number 2. Consider this is equation number 3. Note number 4. L is equal I omega. Equation number 1. Therefore, here L is equal to angular momentum, I is equal to momentum of inertia, omega is equal to angular frequency. Therefore, I is equal L by omega. Equation number 2. Similarly, omega is equal L by I. Equation number 3. We already know that omega is equal to theta by T. Now, note 5. Torque tau is equal alpha into I. Consider equation number 1. This one we also write as alpha is equal tau by I, and also I is equal tau by alpha. Consider equation number 2. Consider equation number 3. We also know that alpha is equal 1 by R into A, and also we know that I is equal M R square. Now note number 6. Note number 6. Torque tau is equal alpha into I. What is, since tau is equal R cross F, therefore R cross F is equal alpha into I. Therefore F is equal alpha I by R. Consider this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now note number 7. Torque tau is equal I alpha. Equation number 1. We also know that torque tau is equal R cross F, and we know that I is equal mk square. Now take torque tau is equal, what is I? mk square into alpha. Therefore alpha is equal tau by mk square. Equation number 2. Now note number 7. A is equal R into alpha. Consider equation number 1. Now power P is equal R into L. Equation number 2. And velocity V is equal R omega. Equation number 3. Now equation number 8. A is equal R alpha. Take R is equal A by alpha. Equation number 2. And alpha is equal A by R. Equation number 3. Now equation number 9. Power P is equal R into L. Consider equation number 1. Take into two different equations. R is equal P by L. Equation number 2. At the same time, L is equal P by R. Equation number 3. Once again, L is equal to R cross P. Equation 1. Therefore, R is equal to L by P. Equation number 2. Or P is equal to L by R. Equation number 3. Remember, P is equal to MV. Remember, L is equal to MVR, another formula. These are the important formulas we have to remember. Now, note number 10. P is equal to tau omega. Equation number 1. Here, tau is equal to P by omega. Equation number 2. And also, omega is equal to P by tau. Equation number 3. Remember, the another formula for tau is equal to perpendicular distance is to force. The another formula for omega is equal to theta by t. The another formula for omega is equal to V by R. Now, the another formula for P is equal to dW by dt. dW by dt or P is equal to W by T. Here W means work. Here omega means angular frequency. Once again, power is equal to torque into angular frequency. Now torque is equal to power by angular frequency. Angular frequency is equal to power by tau. Therefore, tau is equal to perpendicular distance into force. Angular frequency is equal to theta by t. Omega is equal to angular frequency is equal to velocity by radius. Now the another formula of power is equal to dW by dt or power is equal to W by t. Here W means work. Here dW means small change of work. Here omega means angular frequency. Angular frequency, angular frequency, angular frequency, angular frequency, angular frequency. Work, work. Now note 11. Torque tau is equal to dl by dt. Consider equation number 1 and L is equal to I omega. Consider equation number 2. Now actually another formula, what is L? L is equal to R cross P. We have to remember this one also in brain. Now if torque tau is equal to 0, then L is equal to 0. That means L is equal to constant. That is I omega is equal to constant. If I omega is constant means I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. Note number 12. Very, very important. If torque tau is equal dl by dt, tau is equal to dl by dt, since L is equal to I omega, it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Now L is equal to R cross P, just remember. Now if torque tau is equal to 0, therefore dl by dt is equal to 0. That means dl is equal to 0. That is L is equal to 0. The meaning is L2 minus L1 is equal to 0. That is L2 is equal to L1 is equal to L2 is equal to, and so on, is equal to Ln. That is L is equal to, that is L is equal to constant. Since L is equal to dl is equal to 0 means, that is L is constant. Since L is equal to I omega, therefore since L is equal to constant, means I omega is also is equal to constant. That means I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. Equation number 3. What is I? M R1 squared omega 1 is equal m R2 squared omega 2 is equal equation number 4. The reason is I is equal mr square. Now, yeah, here I1 frequency 1 is equal I2 frequency 2. Equation number 5. Why? Because omega is equal 2 pi nu. That means 2 pi cancel. Therefore, I1 nu 1 is equal I2 nu 2. 2 pi cancel. From this one, we know that from 3, I1 by I2 is equal omega 2 by omega 1. Equation number 6. From 5, I1 by I2 is equal nu 2 by nu 1. Equation number 7. Now see, note number 13. Take I1 omega 1 is equal I2 omega 2. Therefore, I1 by I2 is equal omega 2 by omega 1, or I2 by I1 is equal omega 1 by omega 2. Now, note 14. I1 by omega 1 is equal I2 by omega 2. That implies I1 into nu 1 is equal to I2 into nu 2. Therefore, I1 by I2 is equal frequency 2 by frequency 1, or I2 by I1 is equal to frequency nu 1 by frequency nu 2. Note 15. I1 omega 1 is equal I2 omega 2. I1 nu 1 is equal I2 nu 2. That means I1 by T1 is equal I2 by T2. What is the reason? Nu is inversely proportional to time period. That implies nu 1 by nu 2 is equal T2 by T1, and also nu 1 is equal 1 by T1, comma nu 2 is equal 1 by T2. Therefore, I1 by I2 is equal T1 by T2, or I1 by T1 is equal I2 by T2. Therefore, I1 by I2 is equal T1 by T2, or I2 by I1 is equal T2 by T1. Next, power. Note number 16. Power P is equal M or omega. Sorry, here linear momentum P is equal M or omega. How it came? See here, power P is equal mv. V is equal R omega. Therefore, power P is equal mr omega. And sorry, P is equal, what is P? Linear momentum. Now see, P is equal mr into 2 pi nu, and also linear momentum P is equal mr into 2 pi by t. This is another note. Note number 17. P is equal tau into omega. Here P is equal power. Therefore, P is equal, from this one we know that, consider it is equation number 1. Bifurcate into two parts. Tau is equal P by omega. Omega is equal P by tau. It is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Now, equation number 18. Power P is equal tau omega. Now, where P is equal power, P is equal R F omega. The reason tau is equal R cross P. Consider power P is equal tau into V by R. The reason is omega is equal V by R. Now, power P is equal RF into V by R. Therefore, power P is equal FV. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Equation number 3. Equation number 4. Equation number 5. Now, note 19. If tau is equal to 0, L is equal to 0. That is, L is equal to constant. That means I omega is equal to constant. There, that means I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. Therefore, I1 by omega 1 is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to omega 1 by omega 2. Now, what is I1? M R1 square by M R2 square is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. Therefore, MR1 square by MR2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. That means R1 square by R2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. This is important. This is also important. Now, R1 square by R2 square is equal to 2 pi nu 2 by 2 pi nu 1. Therefore, R1 square by R2 square is equal to nu 2 by nu 1. This is also important equation. Now, R1 square by R2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. That is equal to 2 pi nu 2 by 2 pi nu 1. That is equal to 2 pi by what is nu? T2 into 1 by 2 pi by nu 1 means T1. Therefore, R1 square by R2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. R2 by R1 is equal to T1 by T2. This is also one of the important equation. Now conclusion. What is the conclusion? R1 square by R2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1 is equal to nu 2 by nu 1 is equal to T1 by T2. Now where this R1 came? This R1 came from momentum of inertia I1. Therefore, the final equation is I1 by I2 is equal to R1 square by R2 square is equal to omega 2 by omega 1 is equal to nu 2 by nu 1 is equal to T1 by T2. This is the main conclusion of the equation. Now, equation note number 20. Tau is equal to R cross F and L is equal to R cross P and V is equal to R cross omega and A is equal to R cross alpha. My dear students, these are the important notes we discuss in this video. I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.